I will run this. Starts with a blank slate. I'll run it twice, once as X, and the second as O, and then I will choose to quit. And then I'll run it one more time to show that it saved the last played. Now it's X's turn again, and I'm going to just make X win. Because O isn't lucky today. O is not lucky enough to win today. But I will run it one more time after X is won to show that it is now again a blank slate, and multiple people, like, you can play it multiple times, and you can also choose to quit and it'll save. And that is my Python program for the Tic-Tac-Toe game.